Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer crypto from Kraken to Phantom wallet. Now you can do the exact same steps on your phone or laptop. Now you just need to download the Phantom extension, or you can just open the Phantom app inside your phone. It's the same process. Okay, so after that you want to click here on receive. Okay, and here you want to select which currency you want to receive from your Kraken wallet. Now in my case I'm going to select, for example, Ethereum. Okay, so after guys you select Ethereum, this is your Ethereum wallet address. Just click on copy. So after guys you click on copy, after you copy the crypto you want to transfer from Kraken to Phantom wallet, go back to your Kraken app. Okay, just open the app. So after guys you click on app, after you open the app you want to click here in the middle. Okay, as you can see here, and then you want to search here for the crypto you want to send to Phantom. Now in my case, like I said, I'm going to select Ethereum. After guys you click on Ethereum, as you can see, you want to click here on more. Okay, so after guys you click on more, you want to select withdraw. Okay, so after guys you click on select withdraw, it will ask you guys to select the network. Just select the correct network and then click continue. And that's exactly guys how you can send to, you can just paste the address that you have copied from Phantom. Okay, this is the address of any crypto. You can also select here Solana or Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is your wallet address. You just need to paste there your wallet address, and that's exactly guys how you can do this, and then you will be able to receive the crypto to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Make sure you select the correct network. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Currently I don't have any Ethereum on my Kraken. Now just let me know if you have any questions, like if you want to know the correct network or anything. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys next tutorial. Drop a like and see you guys next one.